Alright guys, I'm back. I'm stream hopping here. Oh, that's not right. Alright guys, well, welcome back. If you're just popping in for the crypto stream, then welcome. Otherwise, guys, we're just still trading. So I've already been trading NQ this morning, and I want to look at my crypto a little more. Alright, let's keep it chill here with some chill music. Let's look at Bitcoin. I am still in an NQ trade, guys. But it's not doing anything. NQ's just going sideways. Meanwhile, so Bitcoin, guys, NQ, well, Bitcoin broke free of this correlation with the major indexes, like NQ. And we have just been pushing up here. Look at this past 4 days. Nothing stopped it yet. And or 5 days, 6 days even. I don't know what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So love to see that. NQ did start to catch up yesterday with a good rally. And today, coming back up to yesterday's highs as well. So Bitcoin, though, is kind of leading the way, I'd say. So I love to see that. I am in a few positions here. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what screen selected if I hit full screen here. Oh, it did select the right screen. Nice. Yeah, what's up, Mr. Knife Art, Session Flow, jumping over to the stream as well. Appreciate that. So, guys, my account is, we're back in the profit. So I'd gone underwater a little bit. This is a live account. So I have a few swing trades on. Yeah, we'll start with the smart trades here. I want to leave NQ on the chart for a second, guys. So we do have this opening range on Bitcoin as well. So actually, first, I meant to look at this earlier. Let's see the New York opening range. Man, we already blew through it. Look at this. Oh, that's London. What's the New York opening range? Okay, so we just popped above it. Man, so I might actually have a Bitcoin scalp here. Why isn't it drawing the opening range on? Guys, it's just not drawing it on right. I don't know why. I really don't know why that's not drawing it on right. I'm gonna have to draw it on manually. And I'm actually gonna put on some other, well, let's see, I'll just leave the music on, I guess. Alright, so let's check out these trades, guys. We are back in the profit now. We've been underwater for a minute, so I'll start and look at the entire portfolio. I'm going to draw Bitcoin's, I'm going to draw the New York Open on here. So here's 9:30 to 10:30. So guys, we just broke opening range. So, ooh. All right. So let's zoom out on this. How do I look at more dates here? This is just the past few weeks. How do I zoom out on this? Maybe if I hit this. Okay, so here's some of my stats right here. We have Sharp ratio and the Sortino. Oh, here's what I wanted to see. How my account's been going. So we started with $3,000 and then I added 1,000, I think. Or no, we started with 3,500 and then I added 500. So that's probably what this bump is here. That's when I added the 500. And so we're continuing to go up here. So it looks like we're on the right side of this. Exposure wise, I'm going to pull up my crypto spreadsheet here. Hold on a second. NQ is still not going anywhere, guys. That I'm still holding one lot short. It's yeah, it's not going anywhere. Slightly underwater. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put 425, 25. And so I've been keeping track of my exposure levels. So I did add exposure on these two, on the Sol long and FET long. We already hit the TP on the FET, 1 TP. And oh, here I can put the starting date. Nice. So, and here's the price relative to Bitcoin. So pretty much saying Bitcoin's been outperforming the past like week. Let's go to smart trades. So here are the trades I have on. We have 3 on right now. Still the same XRP trade from before. Never got the last fill, but that's okay. And then FET, we got TP1 already hit. And Solana still grinding. So these are small positions, but it's a small portfolio. And what I'm more looking at is the entire ratio of my exposure. So I'm going to click on this trade. We'll look at it on the chart. So here's the FET. We can see TP1 hit. I'm going to post this trade here real quick. Yo, what's up? Let me pull, I gotta pull my chat out here because what's up, Maria, Mr. Knifeart, Session Flow. So how are you guys doing on your trading day? What do you guys feel about this Friday? Are you gonna pretty much stay out? Session Flow, you're done, right? Is that what, did you already say you're done? We're pretty much right at break even on that last short I had. Here's NQ. Bitcoin. So this is this New York IB, and I'm kind of curious to see if we can hold above it. Maybe there's a long here. Maybe there's some alts. Maybe we do a day trade with crypto. All right, so this is this FET trade. It still looks good. We're kind of looks good for another leg up. We're kind of making a bull flag, right? Yep, you're done. Made $4 and only need one more day trading to pass that 50K. Nice. There you go. Easy breezy. That TPT. Yeah, I might get some more TPTs today. I'm not sure. I spent more on my expenses this month than I had for a little bit, so I probably shouldn't. Solana. Let's look at this trade. Can't wait for tonight so I can see that one day close to figure out how much my percent needed to maintain. Wait. I don't think there's a consistency though, is there? Oh, it's a 50% consistency. Oh, so you can see it one day closer. Okay, I got you. Okay, so here's Solana. I'm just posting some of these charts. And then we have XRP. All right, I posted these trades, and we're still in some grid bot trades. Oh, Bitcoin is coming down, testing the initial balance high. So, oh wait, what do I want to look at? Grid bots. So we're just slightly in the profit now. I had closed one of my Bitcoin grid bots. I can look at closed ones here. So this grid bot is done. Oh, here, let's actually look at it on the full screen. So closed bots. So this bot we closed for 120 bucks, 7.99%. $18 days in trading. So this was this grid bot trade that we closed already. So I got the top of my range, so I just closed it. I could have left it on though, but I wanted to use that capital to do some swing trades. But I really could have left this on and it would have, I don't know if it would have bought more, but I could leave it to continue to the upside. So it will add and start creating them as it goes. Adding a sell and then it'll add a buy again. So there's a chance I would have held on to something here, but all good that I missed it. I'm still long some alts. But yeah, Bitcoin is still, it looks like it's outperforming, at least on outperforming ETH, which is overall what I've used to kind of take the temperature of the overall altcoin market. So yeah, this is the grid bot we already closed. This one made that 100 and whatever. What did I say? I don't remember already. What was it? 122 or something? Is that what it was? Oh, here it is. 120. Yep. And And then my 2 active ones were up 88 and 96 in these. So doing well in the grid bots. I did have 2 smart trades that already failed. Yo, what's up, Joel? What's up, Joel? Okay, so we can look at these smart trades that I already lost. These 2 right here. 50 bucks, 50 bucks, and then 1 that was break even. So these other ones were just me balancing my profile, my portfolio correctly. So those weren't really trades. So far, guys, I was two risking $50 per trade, and 1 break even, 2 losses. And now we have 3 more smart trades on. So what I want to add with Bitcoin breaking up, I mean, I'm kind of tempted, guys, to take a Bitcoin scalp here. Let's do it. We had a whole candle, 15-minute close above. I'm going to drop it down to the 15-minute chart. I mean, we have this break of IB. We're kind of grinding on it. So, I mean, I could use whatever I want to use as the stop loss. I mean, I kind of don't mind this mid down here. Keep it a little tighter. But really, if we close back below IB, maybe I would take it. Let's put the EMAs on this. Trailing the 9 EMA. Yeah, so I don't mind this, guys. I'm just going to do it. All right, so I'm thinking to enter this, I trade bot, not much new subscriber, check in what you do. I do the grid bots. I haven't used the other bots really. I mean, I've looked at them a long time ago, but I've been using 3commas for like since 2019. So whatever, 5 years maybe. And I mostly used a grid bot to do like a hedge long position. So like I was showing these bots, I think maybe you weren't here. I just showed these bots. I'll show them again real quick though. But so I'm looking to enter this Bitcoin long. But so when I do the grid bot, so we're up like 200 bucks on bots in general, or no, on my open bot. So I'm up 102 and 90 on the XRP and ETH. And I consider it a long hedge because it's selling as it goes up, buying as it goes down. So it's hedging on and off. So I do it as like a hedge position. Okay guys, I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin though. So, and then here's the one that I closed already. Wait, where is it? Close bots down here. Have you traded on 3commas, Joel? Man, we could do a 3commas giveaway too. I don't know what it'd take though because we don't have enough people watching. Everyone hit that like button. Maybe we do a 3commas giveaway. Even if it's only 3 people on here. Hit that like. Let's see if we could get a little, let's do a little giveaway for a 3commas pro account. I don't know. We don't have very many watchers, but it's still 3 or 4 or 5. So yeah, here's the one I already closed for 120 bucks. Small. I was using 1,500 bucks, but rarely was that ever full risk on. You know, only when it came down all the way. Okay, so you're using Top Step, so you're trading futures. So this is actually a spot account. So this is my personal crypto account. I am actually in a I'm still in that short from earlier, but I already TP'd it. I TP'd for 490, and I'm risking 90 more bucks on one MNQ. But the market today is just choppy. Bitcoin looks like a little cleaner breakout from this IB, and it's been trending up. So I'm kind of thinking to take my first Bitcoin scalp in this account. So I'm going to go to Smart Trade, and I'm going to start setting up and see what it looks like. Maybe I just do a really small risk. We're going to do Bitcoin USD. So this is a personal account. I have 4,000 bucks on here now. And Smart Trade. This is Bitcoin chart. Yep. I have it on the 4 hour. I'm just going to put it down to like 15 minute. So I haven't been really scalping or taking day trades on here, more swing trades. So this is kind of my first potential day trade. It is Friday, so it's kind of sketchy. So I'll do low risk on it. And I'm pretty much looking to risk to the middle of the initial balance. I think makes sense to me. I'm so used to having really tight stop losses. Really loose stop losses with crypto that it's so weird for me to have an under 1% stop loss. But so what I'm going to go ahead and type it in here, see what it looks like. So we're talking about a stop loss of 94,682. So I have this weird thing. I never like to do even numbers with crypto. I'll do like 81, 88. But with this, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do 81. I'll just do $1 under. But I always like front run myself with crypto. I don't know why, I've always done it. We are testing IB, but we got a bunch of candle body closes above. So volume though is not really looking good. We had some good green volume, but we just had some red volume back in IB. So it's making me want to wait. Maybe I just take it really small size, but we are back in IB right now. So that's not what I wanted to see. Trading back into balance. I'm going to at least keep setting up this trade for now. Let's see what happens. We're on a 5-minute chart here. And I don't like this red volume, this higher red volume candle. So my take profit, I mean, even if I'm going for 1 hour, 2 hour type of thing, 2 hours up here. I'm just going to queue this up to start looking at what it is like. 830, 96, 830. I mean, I don't have that much capital on this account, so for this type of scalp, it's like even if I use all my balance, it's not going to be very much. I only have $1,000 more, 1,085. So let's see what this would give me if I used it all. Risking $7 to make 16. So guys, that's like, I mean, I could take that trade all day and I wouldn't really think twice about it. But we are testing back into IB right now, so I'm not really getting what I want to see. It's such a low risk though for $7. I'm kind of thinking about taking it just for fun. Thinking to do it, but we're breaking below IB, so I don't really have this set out. We have the top of the daily range right here, so we're also testing that, so it's kind of a break and retest. If I put it back to the daily chart, we just broke this, but this is the daily, so that's what I was looking for us to hold. So we're at the very top of the daily range. Break back into it, and I don't like this long anymore. It's only risking $7 if I risk my entire account. I kind of just want to do it for fun, but I know that's the worst reason to trade, just for fun. That's not how trading should be done. So I don't really have my confluence. Here's what I'm looking at. Something like this. Man, my chat just disappeared. Where's my chat? There we go. You do have Coinbase, but you're not. But you're a hodler. Nice. 3commas is actually, so you use 3commas to trade other exchanges. So 3commas is an API that you can, so you can have like multiple exchanges and trade them all from 3commas. So it's more for active traders, and there's all these bots and different ways, smart trades. So like what I'm doing here, I'm setting up this trade. I can do multiple TPs. So I could do like I could do this for 80% and then hold 20%. I could do this for 75%. And then for my other 25%, that could be like 100K. And I'm going to add a trailing 4% trailing. So there we go, 2 TPs. We are breaking back down into IB. I kind of want to take this trade though, just because I haven't taken a day trade yet with Bitcoin. And if we do get this breakout, I could maybe catch a little runner. So I'm just going to do it full size, guys. I'm risking $8 plus some fees. But I don't really have my setup all the way. Let's do it. This will put me at a high exposure on the account. So you attach like Binance, Coinbase, etc. Yep, you can. So you can trade from all of your exchanges in one place. Yeah, you can try it free with the code. All right, guys, I'm just gonna do this trade. I'm only risking like $8, so let's see. I rarely do these low time frame trades, so it's kind of for fun. First low time frame trade on new account. Breaking, I'm just putting a note on this trade, breaking below IB, so I don't have the entire setup, but I think we could rally if we continue here. Man, it is really breaking down. So maybe I'm waiting. So I'm getting a little cheaper now. Better risk to reward now. But we're in IB. We're not holding IB. Definitely a cheap trade here. But I'm not getting my setup. I'd rather see the breakout. Yeah, at this point, the stop loss makes more sense to me below IB. But yeah, so I'm not getting my setup. Alright guys, I'm going to do it. We're not risking very much. I'm just going to do it. Risking $5 and some fees. So I'm going to try to snipe this entry. We'll see if it works. So I have this whole trade in. Bada boom, bada bang. 2 TPs. I have a note in. It's kind of a for fun trade. I'm going to check how are my fees on this. This is kind of an experiment. So I'm going to just do it. Low risk. Boom. All right. So we have this Bitcoin trade in. And I want to set some alerts here to make sure that all my orders get filled correctly. If we do get TP or if we get stop loss. Okay. And I can start tracking my trade here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my own trade journal, even though I can always look back on 3commas to see these. I can see all the fills and everything here. So I am going to go to my crypto journal and just put this trade in. Oh, I meant to do my exposure before entering this trade, but that's okay. I don't think it's changed from yesterday. So I'm going to just put this BTC, and I'm going to go to the notes and just put scalp or whatever. I can put my notes that I already wrote in this. So all right, here it is. Here's my trade. And we are coming down. What? So I got such a bad fill? There's no way I got that fill. That's not true. We're not even trading close to that at all. I have no clue why it's saying that's my fill. Is that for real? There's no way. So about $1,000 worth. How is that my fill? Hold on a second. Guys, I don't get how that's my fill. Okay, so, but with fees, so we did have to pay fees and stuff, so that's why it's down $8 or whatever. There's no way. I was just so patient to enter this. But it doesn't matter. I was risking like $8 anyway, so this is a feeler trade. I'm curious to see. I want to look on Kraken to double check my executions real quick because I'm curious about that fill. Like here it says my buy was at 15, 95.15. Yeah, here it says my buy was 95.15. I should be able to see the orders right here. If I expand this. Nope. This tells me my buy was 95.349. Which is up here. So I have no clue about that. That's really odd. I want to look on Kraken. Or whatever. Here's the trade. Alright, how's NQ doing? Oh, I'm back in the profit on my 1 micro. Okay, so I have my $1,000, $1,080 of Bitcoin. Does it say when I got filled? I'm gonna go to like the Kraken Pro. Alright, so I just increased my exposure at least. We just bought this dip. We tested the 50 EMA on this 5-minute chart, so I feel decent about my buy, even though we're within the initial balance. I don't really want it. I was hoping to hold above initial balance. This is saying that I bought Bitcoin. Yeah, at 95.15. Okay. So I got the price I wanted, 95.15. So if I go to smart trade. Yeah, it says 95.15. Okay, so this is correct. The graphic, I guess, was not correct. Let's see. Yeah, this is not correct. Maybe that's if it was including fees or something. I want to find out though, just to be for sure. I want to make sure. Oh, so we did get the price we want. So this chart, the entry is just off on it. I want to go to my crypto journal, and I'm gonna investigate that to make sure that I understand how that calculates. And so I'm gonna put some screenshots in my trade journal real quick, so I can speak to support. Alright, it's selling off, guys, so I'm still short 1 MNQ. I hope that Bitcoin doesn't go with the market right now, but it did seem like Bitcoin was becoming less correlated the last few days, so, or last week. Alright, so I'm just taking these screenshots for talking to support so that I can make sure to understand how it's calculated, because if it was calculating it including fees, then that actually would be kind of cool. And what else we got here? I think I did all the things. I think those were all the screenshots I needed. All right, so we're in this trade. I'm going to make sure I have it. Yeah, down here. NQ action was crazy today. ES was a little cleaner. Yeah, NQ was not that good today. Alright, so here's here's the trade. So we're good. We're in from 95.15. So we're actually in from down here. So we got a really good entry, which is dope. We're in from right there. So we're in it to win it. Going for a 5R. Which is it's perfect. My average crypto trade is 5.9R. So that's sweet. First day trade, guys, on my crypto account here. Let's see if NQ keeps selling off, guys. I am short NQ right now. MNQ. Same trade from earlier. Right here. So I'm short from like 63. I'm looking for a trend though. I'm looking for a breakout and trend. If we can break these lows, then I'd want to hold my MNQ short the rest of the day. Is kind of the idea. Because I already took profit on this trade. I'm already up 490 and I'm risking 90. So either way, I've locked in 400 bucks on this short. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna let this play out. I'm gonna watch Bitcoin. I'm gonna watch NQ. I'm in this day trade. I'll post this day trade too. I'm gonna post this on X. Oh, shoot. I didn't do the right screenshot. Dang it. Guys, my chat just keeps closing on me. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. Yeah, NQ was insane. Choppy. Insanely choppy and annoying this morning. I did get a really clean setup, but I was looking at these scalps in a ditch account and pretty much in an account I was using as a practice account. And I finally did get my setup, and I just took it in an eval account. I didn't take it in a funded account, but so I'm whatever. I don't really like trading Fridays, and so that's why I'm taking this just as a day trade. And I'll probably close this out, this Bitcoin trade. I'll probably close it out before the day ends if I don't hit my target. We'll see though, or I'll just lock in I'll lock it in at some point. There we go. All right, I got my post correct. Guys, I feel like I'm back trading crypto. I do want to see this hold. I don't like that we went below that 269. But that isn't even drawn on exactly correctly. Like, if I zoomed in more, it's probably slightly different. Let's see. Yeah, like this right here. I think I'd rather have that right down here at that wick. So we're just holding right on it. We are at the top of this choppy range that I've drawn on here. So I definitely want to see us hold above this. Go back down to the 5-minute. It's fun because I don't ever really trade Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, so I'm excited to be trying it out and expanding my trading styles after trading NQ on the low time frames more. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. And this is real money, guys. This is just a personal account. I got 4,000 bucks on here. Nice chatting with you. I'm in Thailand, so I need to go to bed. I'll come back next week. All right, take it easy, Joel. Yeah, I imagine you're coming from the other account. Yeah, I'm in the US. Coinbase at like 96. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you had it right. I know you're going to bed now, but yeah, you attach Binance, Coinbase, etc. to 3commas. Exactly. So you can trade multiple exchanges at once. So yeah, I'll check you later, man. Hit me up on the other channel as well, where I'll be trading more futures, what you're used to. Take it easy. Good night. Man, I want to go to Thailand. I was looking at going to like a yoga retreat or something like that in Thailand. I know that's very touristy. Also, I guess the main thing is all the temples too.
Sell. Sell.
Yeah, I'm on my second coffee right now. It's getting cold though. I should do a little cream and ice in that. All right, guys. Well, this trade's playing out well so far. We just broke back above that line. I like that. The previous high I was taking this off of. All right, so this could take a little time to play out here. This is a 15-minute chart I have on Bitcoin. I definitely want to see this opening IB range get broken. I'm watching NQ still. Guys, we're just washing around my the same trade that I was in from earlier this morning.
Sell.
All right, what happened to the music? Or maybe at full screen 3 commas, we can see that trade better. Let's see.
Sell.
Yep, here we go, Bitcoin trade. So yeah, it's so weird. This is not showing the right entry. That's so funny. This is showing the right entry though. All right, I just had to send this question to support.
Sell. Buy. Sell.
Where did I just wrote down this email address somewhere, now I can't find
Large
it. Let's see
sell.
where I put it. Okay, well, Bitcoin's still moving, guys. We're good in my long. My long is good. Are we in profit? We're in profit a little bit, but we have fees. We gotta get past the fee. It was a small position here on the. We'll put it on the Bitcoin chart here. I totally forget where I posted this email address. Dang it. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch this trade for a little bit longer. I might just let it go at some point though, because this could take a little bit, but it takes, it is going in my direction, and so I have a super tight stop loss, which means larger size considering. It's still small size, but. Wow, my MNQ short is just is not giving anything. It's just so funny. It's going up and down, up and down. So back in profit now. All right, so I'm just gonna let this play out, guys. That's my long. I'm sticking to it. I tweeted it even, so I'm stuck with it now. But other than that, guys, my portfolio is looking good. My exposure right now, we're exposed. Let's see. It is Friday though, so it's like the one day I don't want exposure. But I'm gonna make sure I have an alert set for this position, so I'm gonna make sure that it stops out if it does, or that it takes profit if it does. And my exposure, let's see, control panel, or where do we want to go to? My portfolio, I believe.
5.
And let's come down and see what is my exposure, guys. So we got a lot of exposure, but we have some stop losses on, so I'm good to go. Guys, I'm at full exposure. Right? Not full, almost. Let's see. Sorry, it's taking me a second to find the screen. It's not telling me. There's somewhere where I can see it. I don't want to. I have to calculate myself, I guess. I have $849 left. Or well, I can just add up the crypto here. 50%, pretty much 75% exposure. Okay, I like that. So we're at 75% exposure. I'm going to put that in my trading log here. %75 exposure, which is the max I've been at, is 77. So I'm pretty much, I like that range. I still have some USD to buy the dip, but of course, 1,080 of that is going to get stopped out really quick on this Bitcoin scalp. So yeah, and now it's coming back down here. So I'm going to let this play out, guys. I have alerts set so I can confirm that I managed this position correctly, and that is going to be it for my crypto. So taking my first little day trade there, and kind of excited to start putting my toes in the water of day trading crypto, which I'm just not used to doing. It's not been my thing. I am a swing trader. So, but I have been now day trading NQ for the past more than a year now. So I've built a lot of knowledge now and experience, and I think I can apply it to Bitcoin as well. So I'm gonna start looking for that. 5-minute chart here is what we're looking at. So I like that we bounced at this EMA here, the 50 EMA, keeping my stop loss below the 50% range of IB, and that is it, which also was a bottoming area right here. So I mean, I could loosen it a little bit. I'm not even risking anything at all in case we test this mid range again, but I'm cool with just taking this as a really tight thing and just taking a very small paper cut, barely risking anything. Fees are probably equal to what I'm risking, so just a little trial. And if we do get a good breakout here, then we'll have a runner of this position and can maybe get an outsized win. So I don't like though that we didn't stay above IB, and that's what I want to see. Normally is that we hold above IB. So I just went ahead and took it anyway. So, but next time I might be looking for us to hold above IB on this one, and we'll journal it. So we'll get to learn my lesson the hard way and have a big red line if we end up losing it. And either way though, I think I do like to wait for confirmation on these trades. I know I do on NQ, so I should probably be doing the same thing on Bitcoin. But we'll see. I'm just bullish right now. Maybe we get a little more volatility today. It is a Friday, but also not my favorite day to trade. So I'm going to keep an eye on this position and maybe lock it in at some point before the day is over. And guys, that's going to be it. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off, guys. Shout out to 3commas. This is the last day of the sale. So here's the Easter sale right here. So last day of the Easter sale. So if you want to get up to 50% off of your subscription, then definitely check out the Easter sale going on right now. Use code LUNA to get the best deals. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it. I'm going to hop off. And have a really good day, guys. Happy weekend, everyone. Go touch some grass. Good time to forget about your coins, forget about your crypto, forget about your bags, and just enjoy time with your family, friends, outside, whatever you like to do. So take it easy, everyone. I am happy that the account is back in to around break even, a little above, and that feels good, guys. This is my real money, real account, and I'm doing it all transparently here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to get updates. And as we build and grow this portfolio and manage it over time, I'm doing it all in real time. I can always reflect and see how my performance is, where I need to make improvements, and doing it publicly I think will help keep me accountable for that. So again, guys, shout out 3commas, link in the description to get the best deal on 3commas. And well, whatever, I'll just put it in the chat as well. And I will see you guys next time, so keep an eye out, subscribe, and set alerts for when I go live. And I don't really have a consistent time, depending on what the market's doing and my schedule for now, but maybe we will get more locked in at a specific time for me to be going live. So for now, I'm trying to do it around noon. But that will be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you read the disclosure, and because trading is risky, you can lose what you put in. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and this is for entertainment and educational purposes only, not financial advice, guys. So these are not to copy. This is just my own journey here, my own trading. So make sure to do your own research. All right, guys, take it easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with more updates. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.
Bye.